Hi everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint the Chinese cabbage. So first I used my big brush to wash my background to highlight my white space. And then I started to change my brush to the number 6 to drawing the cabbage detail and leave a lot of white space. And today this paper is A4 and a bit roughly. So because this is vegetable, so I use lots of yellow and green. If you want to do this shape looks 3D and not flat, make sure you have a lot of different layer for them, and keep the light area and then build a layer for the dark area, and also include the texture of the vegetable, and they have different layers of leaves. For the edge, I like to make a bit blurry because I don't want they all looks really precise. So I choose some part of them blurry and some area a bit strong contrast. So that's make my oval shape looks not really the clear edge. And my background is used wet into wet technique, so you can see they have many different gradient color in there. And because I think the Chinese cabbage is already lots of details, so I prefer to keep simple with the background. And first I started to use the yellow-green to drawing the texture, and then I started to dark again for the edge to highlight my white space. So in this step, just pay more attention to in the front, like a central area, the color a bit different with the close to the edge area. So avoid to make all the same. So this will be make the art too flat. And because the Chinese cabbage, the leaves is pretty interesting, like they have lots of buckle area. So that's why I put a lot of like a dot into it to make a pattern. And for the green color, you have many choice, like yellow green if you want to make your cabbage is really fresh. So yellow green and permanent green. For the shade, you can use some dark green. And for the edge of a piece of the leaves, we can give the little bit emphasis for them to make the art looks many leaves. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's painting, and thank you for your watching. Hope to see you next time.